Scott, we got the new Pellet Smoke Pro. My son shot a little pig. We ended up putting the garlic pepper rub and the Cajun seasoning on him, some bacon. Now we're fixing to load him on the pit. I have to kind of do this at a diagonal. That's actually shooting the size hog we need. The reason that we put the foil under it is we're going to end up wrapping this thing toward the end, and that way we don't have to pick it up and transfer the pig around. We'll be one step ahead. So we're going to go ahead and shut this thing up, let the Smoke Pro do its thing, and we'll show you some results a little later. Okay, it's getting to be time to take it off. We went ahead and ran the temperature up to 165, 168, and with this remote temperature set, it makes it super easy to get the meat cooked to the desired temperature we want. Because this is wild pork, we want to make sure that we get it up to temperature. Okay, we're ready to cut him up right now. We're going to just quarter him up a little. One of the things that we did was we did go and inject it with apple juice. That's one reason why this thing stayed so moist too. You can see separating off this quarter. And meat's just pulling away from the bone there. It's so tender. Feel like I'm at a medieval pig roast, slicing and dicing this thing. Turned out extremely well, I think. And using that Pro Smoke, it was no problem at all. All you got to do is set it and forget it. So we'll be doing more of these, I'm sure, later on, because there's a lot of little pigs running around Texas. Now we got it sized so we know the ones that'll fit in there. Well, we'll have another interesting pit adventure for you later on, I'm sure.